Is there anyone else out there that does grocery hauls that knows the true behind the scenes of grocery hauls? I'm talking about the mess and the chaos of bringing everything in. Maybe it's just your grocery shopping that's an absolute chaotic mess, but everything here is always a disaster after grocery shopping. It's like an atomic bomb went off. Hey out there YouTube, today is Friday and I have a Aldi grocery haul for you. I picked up some things that I needed and I spent around $205 and let's get started. So this is about 200 bucks. This includes the 2 cases of off-brand soda or pop, whatever you say, that I put in the fridge, and those 2 right down there by Sasha, those 2 cases of vegetables. One is diced tomatoes, one is green beans. I also picked up some whole grain granola. This is to make some of those yogurt cups for breakfast, so yogurt with granola. I also picked me up this caramel corn and nut mix. It just looked super, super good. And of course, it's a Santa item. I picked up some tissues. Andrea picked up Mattia a bag of potato sticks. Mattia absolutely loves the potato sticks. I did get a bag of pretzels to go with hummus. I also picked up a combo bag, the snack combo bag of the chips. They just seem to last better with kids and they're also portion control. I picked up, or Andrea picked up, these olives stuffed with jalapenos, and also I got a dozen eggs. I did pick up one of these drying mats. This was $1.99. All of these were $1.99 at Aldi, so that is an awesome buy. I picked up some baking cocoa because it is the season for hot cocoa and we love it homemade. We kind of have it as a dessert. I then got some of the Aldi version, the crunchy peanut butter. Over here, I picked up 2 boxes of stuffing. I also have some stale bread in the freezer. I am thinking about doing some sort of chicken and stuffing meal coming up this week. I picked up animal crackers, or AKA the dog cookies. I got Mattia a bag of, or a box of frosted flakes. Those are his favorite. Aldi only has the Ghirardelli. These are the shortbread cookies, and they come with the little chocolate drops, and this makes a ton of cookies. I absolutely loved, I'll go ahead and show you, their brownie mix, which I bought some time ago at Costco. I only have 1 pack, but if we end up going back to Costco this weekend or this week and they have this again, I will definitely buy this. This was the best brownies and the best buy. We've had that since the beginning, I think, of the summer. So I have as high hopes for these shortbread cookies. I have bought the smaller box, so this is a 3-pack. So great for holiday baking or for me to take to work. Here is the vanilla yogurt to make those yogurt cups. And then I also picked up sour cream. And then I got a creamy caramel dip just for dipping some apples. I got 2 creamers, a vanilla caramel and a French vanilla. I got a container of applesauce, a container of mayo. Andrea picked up some of these antioxidant, say it right, Tam, organic drinks. This is the pomegranate, and then he picked up a blueberry. I picked up some dried cherries. I also got some of the deluxe, the cashews, and then of course the cocoa almonds. Ashton absolutely loves the roasted pumpkin seeds. I'm not a huge fan, but I thought she could take those to the hospital with her. And then it's that time of year for the pumpkin pie spice, and it is the cheapest at Aldi. I got a box of crackers because we have chili tonight, and I needed some more crackers, and we just eat those with cheese as a snack or a lunch. Pop-Tarts were on sale for $1.99, so I picked this one up. And then I wanted to try some of the gluten-free, their Live gluten-free brand. So this is the cheddar cheese biscuit mix. So I thought I would try that. I picked up a box of tea for us to make sweet tea. And then since everybody takes their lunch, this is just some of the sandwich bags. Back here, I do have a huge bottle of vinegar. I use this in my laundry as well as in the kitchen or to clean with, and a gallon of milk. I picked up a package of string cheese, some queso fresco cheese. Andrea wanted to try garden vegetable. And then this is one of my favorites, which is just the white cheddar. I picked up a prosciutto panino. This is just the prosciutto with some mozzarella, and it's all rolled up. And then I picked up a package of the oven roasted turkey breast. I think we're gonna have hot turkey and cheese sandwiches. I did get some roasted garlic hummus to go with my pretzels, a package of mozzarella cheese, a package of sharp cheddar, some of the Baby Bell cheese. They are everyone's favorite, and that's like a snack. Those will be gone in no time. A container of biscuits for breakfast. We make breakfast every day of the weekend. And then a brie cheese. This is some of the crispy chicken strips. This just is easy for lunches or to make wraps. And then in the way of meat, I did pick up 2 packages of bacon, 2 packages of the breakfast sausage. Andrea wanted these hamburger patties, which I will not eat, and they just didn't look too good. But we also picked up some ground beef and then some chicken tenderloins. I picked up a whipped topping because I think I'm going to, of course, make pumpkin pie. And then Mattia has to have ice cream, so I got him chocolate chip cookie dough. So that's everything there because that guy is going to start putting it away. Hamburger buns for Andrea's burgers. The small fajita tortillas. We're about out of our tortillas, so we will use these again like chicken wraps, or if the kids want a small quesadilla. Picked up bananas, 3 avocados that really should be ripe probably by next July, some mini cucumbers, a bunch of broccoli, a Caesar salad kit. I still have tons of salad. And then Andrea got 4 of the pink lady apples. No, this is the Honey Crisp. All right, so that is what we got. Is that it? Yeah. No, I'm missing 2 gallons of water that I believe are still in the van. And then these 2, quote, Pringles items. I picked up a bag of red onions. I was completely out of onions, purple onions, whatever you want to call them. And then a bag of the Yukon Gold. All right, here we go. So that's all we got. Andrea's gonna help me put that away, and then we are going to eat some chili. So I love talking to you guys in the comments. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to ring the bell so you get notified. I went and looked at my analytics, and you guys, I have so many views, and 80% of those views are not from subscribers. So help a girl out and hit the subscribe button, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Take care. All right, you guys, the lighting is kind of crazy on this camera, and I'm trying to finish this up before my battery dies because it is blinking. If you enjoy watching my Aldi hauls and you are looking for someone new to watch, I'm going to link up here or up here or up here somewhere the channel that I have been watching, which is Glenda Beauty. Glenda has awesome hauls, and she has lots of other fantastic videos. So be sure and check her out and let her know that I sent you over there. We need to get her some more subscribers because I'm really enjoying her channel. Anyway, here you go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'm gonna try to get this lighting figured out. See ya.